In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply columns in Google Sheets spreadsheet. We'll start by opening Google Sheets, getting into your spreadsheet, and setting up plenty of space so your multiplication results can sit neatly beside your data. By the end, you'll be ready to place formulas exactly where you need them without crowding your existing columns. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. At the top right, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. Choose Sheets to go straight into your spreadsheets. Once Google Sheets loads, open the document you want to work with. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct tab and that you can see the columns you plan to multiply. It's helpful to keep your original data in place and add new columns for the results, so nothing gets overwritten. Next, click the small gray cell at the very top left corner of the sheet, where the row numbers and column letters meet. That one click selects the entire sheet. This is a fast way to prepare a large area if you plan to insert a block of new columns for your calculated results. Now, right-click on any column header. You'll see a context menu tailored to your selection. Because the whole sheet is highlighted, Sheets offers to insert a large group of columns at once. Choose Insert 33 columns left or Insert 33 columns right, depending on where you want your new space. Left will place the block before the column you clicked, right will place it after. This creates a wide buffer of empty columns so your multiplication results don't interfere with your source data. If you add more columns than you intended, remember you can always undo immediately. With that space created, you're set to enter your multiplication formulas next to the original columns. For example, you can place your cursor in the first empty cell beside your data and type a formula that multiplies the two source columns. If you prefer to fill an entire results column in one go, you can use an array-style approach to spill results down automatically. Make sure your source columns contain true numeric values, and consider starting your ranges on the row beneath your headers so labels don't get included. If formatting looks off, switch the results column to a number or currency format to keep everything consistent. That's it. You opened Sheets, accessed your file, selected the entire sheet for a quick setup, and inserted a block of columns to house your multiplication results. From here, simply enter your formulas in the new columns and you're ready to analyze, chart, or share your work with confidence.